Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. In this video, I have my granddaughter with me here today, and we're going to show you how to make custom light switches 3 different ways. Okay, let's get into it.
We got to paint.
The first one we're going to do is going to go in my bedroom, and this is the scrapbook paper that we are going to use. It came in a pack from Walmart. I believe it's called Delilah.
Yeah.
So what we want to do is turn the scrapbook paper over to the back side. We're going to lay the light switch cover down, the front side touching the paper, and then we're going to trace it out and cut it out. Where did the pencil go? Oh, it's over there on the table.
Okay. I be like that friends. Hey, boom!
Okay. Now trace it out. And we'll make sure we get the part where the switch goes.
Yep. Okay.
Now cut the paper out.
Cut the paper out.
Yeah, I accidentally done that the other day.
Okay.
It happens, don't it?
Okay. Good. I put paint on the table. Sorry. That accident. And I got this egg on me, and I teach you how to learn. Okay? I just see.
Now we've got some Mod Podge, and that's what we're going to use to adhere the scrapbook paper to the light switch cover.
Yeah.
We need this paintbrush here. Now spread the Mod Podge all over the light switch cover. Use this paintbrush to spread the Mod Podge. Get it all over. Cover the whole thing real well. Good. Make sure we get the edges. Go all the way, get the edges.
Mom made the edges.
Yep.
And getting a bit steps here. Okay?
After that's all done, we're going to take our paper and place it into the light switch cover and press it down real good.
Right there.
All the way around.
Yellow.
We're adding colors.
1, 2, 3.
Then we just set it to the side to dry. And once it's dry, we'll take off the excess paper.
Yep. I need some purple piece.
We're not done that yet. The next one we are going to do, we're going to be using this piece of material with lemons on it.
Yep.
We're going to basically do the same thing with it as we did the paper.
Yep.
Trace the material.
Okay, we draw it and make it happen. Happen for me?
No.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'll be right here. We do cut scissors. You got it. My
Thank you.
scissors. My scissors.
Those aren't your scissors.
Why? They're my
You have Daddy's scissors. That's the ones you use when you're here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now come here.
Hey, that's a good one. It's my scissors. I got my scissors. I got my scissors. I'll cut the paper. Big of paper. I'll cut big of paper. I'll cut big of paper.
You can't cut anything with those scissors. They're just pretend scissors.
That is that. I like yours. Okay, what?
Okay, now that we got that all cut out, we're going to put the Mod Podge on the light switch cover and then put the material on.
About that, then. Get some pink glue.
Press it all down real good. Smooth it out.
Yep. And we do some flowers and this.
And then we put some Mod Podge on top of the material. That way it dries nice and hard. Okay, so we're going to set it over to the side now.
Get me. I did this.
Okay, now let's move this paper out of the way since it has Mod Podge on it.
Yeah. Okay, Kelly, wash your hands. It's like ready at all. I get skinny. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to be making the one for Sasha's bedroom.
Yeah. I got a bedroom down there up in here. It makes so pretty. I'm coming in my bedroom.
Good job, just a little bit. Is that better?
Okay.
Hey, what?
This go in my bedroom.
This light switch cover is after we get it done.
I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna do that first. I mean, hey,
Hey, what?
I made something in my this. I made something.
Yeah, I'm going to get the paint for you.
I took it out. Okay, guys, you're being good and you're getting good at. I'll take this off. Oh, red and white.
Yep, so we can make pink. Remember?
Okay.
But I just remembered. I do have some pink. You like that color? Mix that in here.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, now what color?
This one.
No, we're just using these. Remember, you picked these out.
Okay.
Purple, right?
Yeah. That is a grabbing note. I'm Snoopy. Hey.
Hey, what?
Ooh, I like this color.
Well, which yellow do you want? Do you want this one or this one?
This one.
You want this one instead?
Yeah. I want some yellow.
And then red?
Right there.
Okay. brushes are dry.
This. Hey! Good. We got your two.
We have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. There's all your stencils. You remember how we did the stencils on the paper? We're going to do it the same way on here. You put your butterfly where you want it, and then use the paint.
I'll do.
Oh, purple. Not the cover. On the light switch cover. Okay. I'll help you hold it down. Nope. Up and down. Up and down. There you go. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, butterfly. Okay. Now, do you want to put another butterfly? Where do you want it? Like right here?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to make it a different color?
Yeah. I will use this. For this one.
I gotta do a flower.
Flower
Oh, yeah. Where do you want your flower?
up here.
Right here.
Okay. I'll do this one.
Pink one. Do the paint off. Do the paint off. You go. Remember, bounce up and down. Up and down. You're doing good.
Okay, I'll do some red.
You want where do you want it? Where do you want this flower?
Right there.
Dab the paint off. Dab the paint off. Okay, that's good. Up and down. Good job. Okay, now what are you going to do with the yellow? You wanted yellow, so what are you going to do with it?
I'll do something like that.
What are you going to do with it?
I'll do some here. Look at me.
Yes, good job. Okay, that looks really good. I love how colorful it is.
Thank you.
See, that's still a little tacky. So what I'm doing. Okay, we have the screw here that goes into the little hole, so just going to poke the material or poke the paper out where that is. You can kind of feel where the hole is, and you can make an indentation, and then you can see right where it's screwed.
I got some views.
And now we have the screw holes in there. Now I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper and go around the edge to get the excess paper off. I'm just going to go in a downward motion to get that paper off.
Yeah, and a cat coming in the kitchen. Cat's coming in the kitchen. Cat's coming in the kitchen. Oh, no, Daddy. Bah. Bah.
So that's some over here.
Daddy, you've been good.
I'm always good.
And that's paint on it. I am. I am good.
Yeah, you are too.
Yeah, I say, get a bus out. Left side, left side. I do some pink.
Okay, now this one's all done and ready to be hung. I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and make a little hole in the material so that the screw will be able to go through. And just like with the paper, you can just press down and it'll make an indentation where you can see where the screw hole is. Now that will allow for the screw to go through. See, poking out the back. I'm going to do the same thing for the other hole.
Oh, Daddy, what's these?
Those are very, very sharp. You don't play with those, okay?
I know.
I'm just letting you know.
Oh.
Okay, now let's check out yours.
My dog.
Not completely dry yet,
Oh.
but it's getting there. That is so pretty.
Hey guys, look at my picture and my white switch.
You want to show it to them?
And look at this.
There you go.
It's so pretty and blue and green. I'll make green. That's my white bush. Where are we ready for with you?
Okay.
And on this video, just help watching. See you next one.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. You're a sweetheart.